Okay, I'm kind of doing two videos at once, so I got some overlap. So I got the Kemimoto polycarbonate windshield here. This is the full windshield with the sliding vents at the bottom. And then I have the cab heater that I'm installing. So at the same time, I need to remove this windshield so I can insert the defrost vents for the heater. We're gonna take this windshield off because we have to anyway since we're replacing it. So I might keep it just in case I want it for summer, but it's pretty beat up as you can see here. Okay. Oh, damn. I'll clean this up and then we're ready for the new windshield. But first I'm going to do the heating portion and get these defrost vents cut in. Okay, we got the new windshield. We're just gonna get that unboxed right now. Okay, we got the mounting hardware, which is very straightforward. It's basically just clips that Velcro around the cage. It's good because then in the summer we'll be able to easily remove it and put on our flip up. These vents are way bigger than I thought. These vents on the bottom. So that's pretty neat. And we got instructions. Okay, so bolts on the top. I'm a little nervous about my light bar. And it might not clear the light bar. Which is not a big deal because what I'll do then if I have to, I will put the light bar on top. Okay, so I got it mounted. It's pretty easy. There's just this spacer. And then the bolt goes through, and then the spacer, and then a nut. So I just need I need my buddy to come over so that I can put these ones on because I can't reach them. So not really a one-man job. I got that side done though. And then here, I'm just gonna take off the film. Oh, and I gotta put the straps on still, so. Okay. Wow. That is super nice. So this is gonna be nice. I got the defrost vents right there. Yeah, looks good. Okay, I just realized when I was editing that I don't have an outro to this video or anything. So here's the windshield. So here are the straps installed, the bolts. Now one thing that's kind of lame is these bolts are already rusted. So yeah, doesn't make any sense why they wouldn't include it to be stainless like the other bolts, so they don't do that. But anyway, the windshield's been great. Can't complain. It's just a basic, poly windshield. I am going to put a wiper on it. I had a wiper on my other poly windshield. Doesn't scratch as long as you're careful as to when you use it. So I am going to put a washer fluid sprayer on this too to help it. So yeah, can't complain. As you can see, I didn't remount my light bar yet, so I still need to do that. The one that I have doesn't actually fit up here anymore. I do need to get a curved one, so I'll have to do that sometime soon.